Santa Baby, we're moving on to how to play the chords. So there are a bunch of options. I'm going to start with the simplest version. So during your intro, we're just going to apply the together right 1-to-2 ratio. Okay, and this you can do throughout the verse 1, okay, all the way through, and then when we get down to the bridge where you start playing the E, you're going to hang out on the E for quite a while. Did that 4 times. And then same thing when you get to your A. Think of all the fellows that I haven't kissed. Same thing on the D. Next year I could be just as good. Now when you get to the G, my recommendation is you just play it and hold. If you check off my Christmas list, and then you go right back into Santa Baby, I want a yacht, and really that's not a lot. Been an angel all year, Santa Baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Now, you'll notice that this time I took off the G7, and really it's up to you if you want to add it there. Okay, there's no G7 here, even though there is one over here. I took that off as it's not going to change anything. If you find that the G7 and the C7 is throwing you off, just cross that out. You do not have to play the C7 or the G7. All right, so that's the basic rhythmic structure. The verse, all the verses are just together, right, together, right, together, right, following the chords, and then that bridge, it's going to be together, right, 4 times for each of those chords. When you get to the G, just play and hold and finish singing, and then go right back into Santa Baby. In the next video, I'll show you a rhythm variation that you can try.